Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm excited to show you how to import data into a table in Supabase. First, open your web browser and visit the Supabase website. Once there, log into your account and click on the dashboard button in the top right corner. Next, select your organization and choose the project you want to work on. After that, hover over the left sidebar to expand it and click on the Table Editor option. Then click on the table where you want to import data from a CSV file. After that, click on the Browse Your Files option and select the CSV file you want to upload, then click the Open button. You will see a preview of the data on the site. You can also deselect any columns that you do not want to import into the table. Now click on the Import Data button on the right side and the data will start to import. You will see that we have successfully imported the data from the CSV file to the table. That's how you import data into a table in Supabase. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more informative content.